So here we have the Audi Q3 on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car. They're 18,556. We have a digital readout for the speedometer displayed above that. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel for various different menus, as you can see. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using a second ago are just here. We have stereo and phone controls on the right-hand side, and underneath here, cruise control for the car. We then have the main screen over in the center, just here. So you can access various different menus from down below. So for example, radio, you can listen to your own music via media. You can access the satellite navigation from here, telephone, and the main menu. So main menu, once you're on that, this dial will operate everything you see up on the main menu. So we can highlight any one of these things that you see up here. So for example, radio, push the dial down. We can then access the DAB, FM, and medium wave radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do that via the media heading, which I mentioned a moment ago. And again, a number of ways to listen to your own music, including Bluetooth audio just there. Working our way down, we have the CD player, all of the buttons I was using a second ago, and the main volume for the stereo. Underneath that, we then have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed for you. And the direction of the air, you can override that whenever you wish to. You see auto has now gone off. Above that, we can turn the parking sensors on and off. We can turn the traction control on and off, and the stop and start as well. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off. And drive select will change the driving mode of the car from auto to dynamic, efficiency, or comfort. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.